Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Hey, I just wanted to talk to you real quickly about what's happening with Q4, all right? Q4 was probably one of the busiest times in Amazon, the selling on Amazon. It's the Christmas time. It's absolutely jam-packed. It's going to be very busy. In fact, it's actually going to be more busier than what most, you just imagine a typical like Thanksgiving sale, right? They're huge, absolutely huge. There is a huge opportunity if you are looking to sell on Amazon Australia or Amazon USA, to get ready for the Q4. And so what do you need to do to get ready? Let me just tell you right now what you need to do. You need to prepare, make sure you have enough inventory in stock. This is probably a big thing where a lot of people run out of inventory, they run out of stock. You don't want to be that person. You want to make sure you are in stock. Second thing is you want to make sure that you have coupons. Okay, do you have coupons? Are you running some sort of promotion? All right, because these are things you need to prepare. You have to advertise. Have you ever heard that expression, you need money to make money? Well, it's not always true, but especially if you are looking to sell on Amazon and you have a product up on Amazon, running a coupon as well as running PPC definitely is very helpful, okay? Definitely very helpful. All right, you also need to stay on top, and sometimes what we do is you increase what we call the sales velocity. You drive some instant sales coming in before the Christmas period to rank you organically. All right, so do what you ever have to do. Do giveaways, get some fast sales coming in, get people to give you 5-star reviews. I'm not going to tell you how, all right, that's in our training, but pump out those sales to increase your sales velocity. That way, when you are ready to go, you're locked and loaded, and it's the promotion will go well. All right, now Q4, get prepared. If you are selling on Amazon Australia and you're selling Australian made products, it's probably a good opportunity that you'll be there a lot faster, as opposed to people bringing in products from China. But just be aware of that there are delays right now. This is the busiest time of the period for Amazon, and just be prepared. If you are selling, if you wanted to get your stuff up before Christmas, then just be prepared. There's going to be delays happening, all right? So have a great day. Talk to you soon. Stay safe. And if you are looking for ideas, by the way, below this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. And there's a free training there showing you how to get something started on Amazon, all right? And how to find products. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye for now. Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. You know, what's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.